Our camp is titled CaST. It stands for Cyber and Science Talent Camp. And that is exactly what we're trying to accomplish. We're trying to bring in youth in about the 6th grade, and we want to begin to strengthen them.
My name is Natalie Darnell, and what we've done the past few weeks is we've learned how to code and do the robots, build robots. And we've got to meet some people from Home Depot, the banks, and we've got to go on field trips, learn about rockets.
Hi, my name is Tayana Swan. I'm 11 years old. This is 2018, the very first CaST camp. And what we've been doing this week is a little bit of math, robotics, and critical thinking, which we call icebreakers. That's been my favorite thing so far, and I hope to get to do this next year. Icebreakers or critical thinking has been my favorite so far because it's been challenging, but we always got the answer and worked our hardest and figured it out no matter how hard it was.
And it was really fun because I met new friends, and also in math I learned how to write my name in this kind of it was like coding.
What I liked about the camp is that you can find more friends and it's exciting. And what I learned is how to work with the team, and then we learned on how to build robots.
I liked the math a lot because we learned how to do division with like binary code, and we did a budget game, and it was really fun to do, and how you should like save money so you can have some later.
My name is Leonard Gordon, and I'm 11 years old, and we've done like robotics, cyber, math, and science. My favorite was robotics because we got to build robots, which were Rally Rovers, and it was fun because we got to program them.
We wanted to bring a real-world application to these students so that they're able to apply the math strategies that they're teaching in school, so that the students are able to see the real-world applications of math and science. And I think through our CaST camp, we've been able to provide some directions and some instructions that have excited the kids about those areas of study.
What we're doing here is we're programming the Rally Rovers so we can complete the challenge here, and we're learning how to program, and we learned how to build these too. So when we reprogram it, we have to go back and we have to measure it a lot because we have to get a specific number so the turns won't be going into the grass. That's the challenge. We try not to hit anything and go in the grass. And so we have to go back and remeasure everything. And that's why we go back to the computers, and we got a little measuring stick over there. So the first one needs to be 448.
Yeah. And the second thing is 98 divided by whatever.
Okay, it's time to put this down.
Oh.
We keep either going too far, too little, or the wheels have decided to turn left when we need it to go right. Or sometimes it will just be we didn't make a wide enough turn, or we didn't make a small enough turn, and then it will accidentally go onto the grass. How I would fix it is I would continue trying and failing, because that's basically the whole goal, is try and fail. Once you succeed, you know the different mistakes.